In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format numbers in a spreadsheet using your preferred number format choice. Whether you're dealing with plain text, like a series of account numbers, or a simple numerical list, knowing how to format these numbers correctly will make working with your data much easier. So let's dive in and explore how to transform your plain text numerical entries into the format that best suits your needs. First, you'll want to start by selecting the cells that you wish to format. This step is crucial as it tells the spreadsheet software which data you want to change. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the cells, or, if the data is not contiguous, holding down the control button while selecting each cell individually. For instance, if you have plain text numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ensuring they're all selected is the first step towards effective formatting. Once you've selected your desired cells, navigate to the Format menu located at the top of your spreadsheet interface. This menu contains various options to help you adjust the appearance of your cell data. In our case, we're focusing on the Number submenu. So go ahead and click Format, then hover over to Number. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several formatting choices you can apply to your selected cells. The available formatting types include options like number, currency, percent, date, and even custom number format. Now, if your data currently appears as plain text, you might want to start by simply converting it to a standard number format. This is particularly useful if you're working with numerical data that you want the software to recognize as numbers for calculation purposes rather than text. Clicking number from the drop-down will perform this conversion, ensuring your data can now be used in calculations or further formatting. Depending on what you need to achieve, you might explore other options as well. For instance, if you're dealing with financial data, switching to currency format makes it far easier to read monetary values at a glance. Alternatively, choosing percent could simplify how percentages are displayed if your data involves any form of percentage calculations. Similarly, the date format will be handy if you wish to display your numbers in a date format. This is specifically useful for timestamps. There's also the custom number format option, which offers you the flexibility to define how your numbers will appear based on specific criteria. This is especially helpful if none of the pre-defined formats meet your needs precisely. By customizing, you can dictate everything from the number of decimal places to how text and numbers interact within a cell. Remember, effective number formatting can transform your spreadsheet, making it easier to understand and share. By following these steps, your data presentation will not only be consistent, but also professional and tailored to your very specific needs. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and give it a try on your next spreadsheet project.